Solve the problem of the USB connector being disconnecting in Samsung phone. The problem usually appears due to moisture entering the Type-C charging port. Fortunately, there are several ways to solve the problem. The first method from the inside the device's software is as follows. The second method, try to dry the device from moisture, knowing that if the first method does not work, the problem will not solve it except by removing moisture from the device. To remove the moisture, I used the cold air of the hair dryer to try to dry the charging port. If the problem is not solved, ignore it and it will disappear on its own as soon as the moisture leaves the phone, with the need to keep the phone away from any source of moisture in case the problem is solved on its own so that it does not return again.